Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat. Then right here tap at your Bitmoji, and here it is. Now in order to remove a Bitmoji from your Snapchat profile, you should tap right here at gear icon to open up the settings, and right there you can easily find that Bitmoji feature. Just get into it, and then towards the bottom of the screen you can find remove my Bitmoji option. You can just tap on that. Now it says that if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my closet. So I'm just gonna hit add to remove Bitmoji from my Snapchat. So now I'm gonna open up my Snapchat profile again. As you can see, there are no more 3D Bitmoji up here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.